Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I'm trying the message board out a couple different ways this week to see which works best, and then we'll see what happens after we come back from spring break. So I want to get right into the messages. I'm going to be talking about activities that I'll be sending a little bit later that you guys can send back to me. Once you're finished, we're going to be playing a little game. So let's get into it. So for number 1, I want to talk about feelings again. So yesterday I had said that it is okay to feel how we are feeling, and it is really, really good to talk about how we're feeling with our mommies, our daddies, our aunts, uncles, grandmas, sisters, brothers, whoever is in your house. It is good to talk about how you're feeling and why you're feeling that way. So, like I said, we have a smiley face, a sad face, an angry face, and a frustrated face. Okay, so I want you to tell an adult in your house how you're feeling and why you're feeling that way. So the next one, number 2. I want you guys to read this one. So it says, today is, and then I want you to look outside and check the weather. So I'm looking outside right now, and it looks a little bit cloudy. I actually don't think I see any sun out. Okay, so number 3. Hold up 3 fingers for me. What is this a picture of? If you said a book, you were right. And down here, I wrote the word spring. So spring is the season which we're in right now. So I made a little sun, a tree, and a flower, because that's usually what we see during springtime. So in a little bit, I will be sending you guys a link to a book about spring. So it shows all real life pictures of the outside when it is springtime. I want you to pay close attention to what you're seeing. And then now we have number 4. What do you guys think this is a picture of? So I made a picture of the computer, and then I made another picture over here. Miss Christy is not the best drawer. I made a picture of a phone. So either you're watching my videos on the computer or you're watching on the phone, but then I just thought some of you are also watching my videos on the TV. So this is the game that we will be playing together today. So I'm going to explain it and tell you what we're going to be doing. So we're going to do some writing today. Miss Christy printed off a bunch of spring words, and we're going to talk about the words, try to read them by looking at the pictures, and then I'm going to set a timer, and I want to know how many words do you think you can write in 5 minutes. So we're going to play that game a little bit later in the next video. I'm super, super excited to see how many words you guys can write. I will see you in a little bit.